All right, so today I'm going to show you how to use the amazing search bar in Pipedrive. You can search contacts, organization, any deals. You can search from notes. So as long as you're using the system properly and you're putting notes like hi here, notes like hi. Very creative, Cliff. If you put, for example, example here. Okay. If you're looking for a deal and you forgot what the deal is because your pipeline looks like this here because you have a lot of deals, you have a lot of leads. Well, sometimes you might, kind of forget what's up. Or for example, you want to use that feature when you're looking for something, a deal that you basically flushed, but a month after you're like, damn, I flushed a client because of XYZ, because a client, he told me that what I'm showing him it's not what he wanted. However, a month after, I'm able to find a solution for that person. But I forgot what his name was. I forgot what his organization was. But I do remember that I wrote something in the deal, which is the word example. Oh, that's nice. I have here a task that has a note example here. So I can basically click here. It's going to bring me back to the activity. And oh yeah, this activity is linked to this deal. So that's exactly what I'm looking for. So here we go. Search bar. Okay. Another way to use search bar, it's not rocket science, is you can search anything here. For example, if I take tab agency and I just want to see all deals only, I just have to click deals. If I want to see only organizations, then I click organizations. Only products, only files. Ooh, that's new. Only leads or people, or basically all categories. Very powerful, very powerful. I absolutely love it. So this is how you use the search bar.